Today we're finally going to get this thing off-road for you, so
give the beans.
We'll see you on the trails.
Ready to go for a ride, bud? Yes! Good boy!
First. Right there. Give the beans.
Oh, were you able to do that with me?
They're just getting some quick chuckets in because... Ah, good boy. Alright, let's go. Come on. Come here. Good boy. Stay. Stay. Yes. Good jobs.
This isn't the spot I thought I was at. Have you lost your goddamn mind? Because I'll help you find it.
Alright, here we go.
Alright y'all, that about wraps it up for today's video. Appreciate you coming along for the ride. We definitely succeeded in our mission of taking this thing off-road for its inaugural run, and we succeeded in throwing a little bit of mud and sand and dirt. She's looking pretty good. But thanks for sticking around and watching this. Seriously, it means a lot. And then all in all, we love this thing. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Do me a favor if you can, like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.